have you ever wondered how the rise of the Ottoman Empire influenced Western culture? Let's dive into the 13th century when the Ottoman Empire began to emerge as a force to be reckoned with. This empire, rich in cultural diversity, became a melting pot for various languages, religions, and arts, creating a unique blend of influences that began to seep into the West. As the empire expanded militarily, it also grew in economic power. The Ottomans established trade connections with Western countries, facilitating a two-way exchange of goods, ideas, and cultural norms. The influence of Turkish fashion, art, and architectural styles started to permeate European culture. The empire's reach extended far and wide, from the Balkans and Eastern Europe to the Mediterranean region, leaving a lasting cultural imprint on these lands. As the Ottoman Empire expanded, its cultural, economic, and military influence started to leave a mark on Western societies. The Ottoman Empire's influence was not limited to its geographical boundaries. Indeed, its cultural legacy has made a significant impact on the Western world. Let's explore this in more depth. Turkish fashion, for instance, began to leave its mark on European culture as the Ottoman Empire rose to prominence. The high-waisted, billowing trousers known as shalva were adopted by women across France and England, eventually evolving into the modern-day palazzo pants. The fez, a red conical hat, also became a fashion statement in Europe, reflecting the allure of the exotic East. Art was another arena where Ottoman influence was felt. The intricate motifs and vibrant colors characteristic of Ottoman art were incorporated into European paintings, textiles, and ceramics. This fusion of aesthetics led to a new style known as Turquerie, which celebrated the Ottomans' artistic prowess. The Ottoman architectural style, with its distinctive domes and minarets, also found its way into the architectural landscape of Europe. This is evident in buildings such as the Royal Pavilion in Brighton, England, which exhibits the ornate and intricate designs synonymous with Ottoman architecture. But the influence of the Ottoman Empire was not confined to the aesthetic realm. The Ottoman intellectual elite played a crucial role in engaging with Western ideas. They translated and studied Western scientific, philosophical, and literary works, fostering an exchange of knowledge that enriched both societies. This intellectual engagement led to new visions and concepts in Ottoman society, particularly regarding civil society and governance. One poignant issue that the Ottoman Empire influenced was the rights of Christian minorities in the Holy Land. Under Ottoman rule, these communities were allowed a degree of autonomy, a policy that set a precedent for the treatment of religious minorities in the region. Through these avenues, the Ottoman Empire facilitated the transmission of goods and ideas, contributing to the exchange between the East and the West. The empire might have faded, but its influence continues to resonate in our modern world, reminding us of a time when the East and West were intertwined in a rich tapestry of cultural exchange. However, the empire that once stood strong began to crumble. A combination of internal and external factors contributed to the decline of the Ottoman Empire. Poor leadership, marked by corruption and mismanagement, hindered progress and growth, while the empire's grandeur faded against the rising power of the Americas and India in global trade. This competition strained the Ottoman economy, resulting in a gradual decline in its prosperity and influence. Meanwhile, within the society there was significant resistance to change, particularly among those who reaped financial benefits from the existing order. There was an aversion to reforms that could disrupt their advantageous status quo. This resistance further impeded the empire's ability to adapt and evolve, ultimately hastening its downfall. These factors led to the weakening and eventual fall of the Ottoman Empire, but its influence lived on. The echoes of its cultural, economic, and political impact can still be felt today, a testament to its historic significance. The Ottoman Empire's influence on Western culture was profound and far-reaching. A cultural chameleon, it created a rich tapestry of art, language, and religion, uniting diverse communities under its expansive wingspan. Its influence reached the very heart of Christian minorities' rights in the Holy Land, an issue that echoes in our world today. Despite resistance to change from those who profited from the status quo, the empire facilitated the exchange of goods and ideas, enriching the world stage. Its influence seeped into European fashion, art, and architectural styles, adding another layer to the vibrant diversity of Western culture. The empire's intellectual elite engaged Western ideas, fostering new visions and concepts within Ottoman society. Yet amidst the richness, there were signs of decline, poor leadership and competition from the New World. Though the Ottoman Empire has long since fallen, its influence continues to be felt in Western culture today, a testament to its significant role in history.